So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel whose name is Nirmalya Study Point. So today we will do the examples of chapter 8. So let us start example number 1. The question is given tan A, here tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Then find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. First of all, we have to know which one is angle A. For that we have to make a right angle triangle. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle A, B and C. This is a right angle triangle A, B, C. In this case, the angle A is here. We have to find out all ratios by this angle. Okay. So this is A angle. So tan A is 4 by 3. What is tan A is equal to 4 by 3? Let us see. So as we know, if we will take this as tan, for example, this is tan A. So as we know, tan A is equal to perpendicular by base, that is perpendicular divided by base. So here perpendicular is BC divided by base is BA. So you can see that here tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. If tan A is equal to BC by AB and also tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Both are same. Tan A is equal to BC by BA and tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Then BC by BA will be 4 by 3. BC by BA is equal to how much? 4 by 3. So here BC by BA is equal to 4 by 3. That means BC will be equal to 4 and BA will be equal with 3. So BC is equal to 4 and BA is 3. So this side value is BC is 4 and BA is 3. We have the value of perpendicular and base now. So we will find out the value of hypotenuse to find all the ratios. So as we know, if we have to find the value of hypotenuse, so what we have to do? As we know, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. If hypotenuse square is equal to this much, then hypotenuse will be root over of BC square plus BA square. We have the value of BC here, so that is 4 square plus BA, that is 3 square root over 4 square, 4 into 4 16 plus 3 square, 3 into 3, that is 9 root over 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So root 25 is equal to 5. So AC is equal to 5. So we can write AC is equal to 5. Now we can find out all the ratios. How? Let us see. So as we know, sin A will be what? As you know, in this angle, if this is sin A, as you know, sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here BC by AC. So what is the value of BC? BC is 4 and AC is 5. So the value of sin A is equal to 4 by 5 here. Okay, like that. The value of cos A, as you know, cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. Here base is equal to BA by hypotenuse is equal to AC. That is BA, the value of BA is 3 and the value of AC is equal to 5. So cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Like that. We have the value of tan A here. So I can simply write tan A is equal to 4 by 3, which is already given. Okay. So the next one is cosec A. Cosec, as we know, cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. That is 4 by 5. We have to write 5 by 4 here. Okay, so cosec A will be 5 by 4 because it is the reciprocal of sin. So the next one is cos A is equal to 3 by 5. So we can write sec A. Sec A is equal to 5 by 3 because the reciprocal of cos A is sec A. So the value of cos A is equal to 3 by 5. So the value of sec A will be 5 by 3. Like that, tan A is equal to 4 by 3. It is given. So cot A will be the reciprocal of this. So 3 by 4. So here the value of sin A is equal to 4 by 5. The value of cos A is equal to 3 by 5. The value of tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Cosec A is equal to 5 by 4. Sec A is equal to 5 by 3. And cot A is equal to 3 by 4. So our example number 1 is completed. By this process, by this easy method, you can find out all the trigonometric ratios of angle A, where tan A is equal to 4 by 3 is given. Okay, so let us do the next one. The question is if B and Q are acute angle. Here the question tells that here two angles, that is B and Q, which are acute angles. So that sin B is equal to sin Q. It is given that here sin B will equal with sin Q. Then prove that B is equal to Q. B angle is equal to Q angle. So how can we prove this? Let us see. The question is here two triangles are present, that is ABC and PQR. Here B and Q, we have to prove that B angle is equal with Q angle. We have to prove it. Okay. So what is given? So given solution. What is given? So given sin B is equal to sin Q. Like that. To prove what? To prove B angle is equal with Q angle. So we have to prove what proof? So proof is in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. What is common here? What is common here? Here sin B is equal to sin Q. Okay, like that sin B is equal to what and sin Q is equal to what? So as we know, in sin B, this is B angle. If this is sin B, so sin B is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. We all know that. So perpendicular means AC divided by what? AC divided by AB, because AB is the hypotenuse and AC is the perpendicular here. Okay, is equal to sin Q means this angle. In this angle, perpendicular by hypotenuse, that means PR by PQ. PR by PQ. Okay, so simply AC by AB is equal to PR by PQ. As we can write also, AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. I can write this. Why? Why? Because as we know, corresponding sides are in equal ratio. So AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. Okay. So I can simply change the place. This is K. K is a positive number. For example, these two are equal with K. So what is next? So next we have to find out the value of this. Like AC by PR is equal to K. We know that. So what is AC? AC will be K PR. Yes or no? Because PR, if I will take PR to right hand side, it will multiply with K. Like that, AB by PQ is equal to K. So what is AB? AB is equal to K PQ. This is the answer. Okay. We have to remember these three things. That is this one and these two for our further solve problem. So the first one is AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to K. This one, and we have to remember this, and AC is equal to KPR, and another one is AB is equal to KPQ. We have to remember this also. Okay, so what we will do next? Now in triangle ABC, put P theorem, that means Pythagoras theorem. If we put Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, what we will get? AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. But we have to find out the value of BC here. So BC square is equal to what? AB square minus AC square. So what will be BC? BC is equal to root over of AB square minus AC square. We all know that if we will remove square here, then right side will contain what? Root over. So this is your equation 1. Like that, in triangle PQR, put Pythagoras theorem. Here PQ square is equal to what? PR square plus RQ square. If I will find out the value of RQ, so what will be the answer? RQ square is equal to PQ square minus PR square. If I will remove square, that is RQ is equal to root over of PQ square minus PR square. This is your equation 2. Here the two ratios are present, that is AC by PR and AB by PQ is present. Okay, corresponding sides in equal ratio are present. So here BC by RQ or QR is not present. So we have to just find out BC by what? QR or RQ. How? For that we have to divide with equation 1 with 2. How? Let us see. So in this case, if we have to find out BC by what? RQ. BC by RQ, just divide equation 1 with 2. Equation 1 with 2. So BC by RQ. So what is BC? We already know that BC is equal to what? AB square minus AC square root over. Like that. What is RQ? The value of RQ is equal to PQ square minus PR square. We already find out this. Like that. What will next? If we will solve it, what we will get? AB square minus AC square. We simply put the value of AB square and AC square in the place of this. Okay. So what is the answer? In case of AB square, in place of AB square, we can put K square PQ square minus, in place of AC square, we can simply write K square PR square whole divided by PQ square minus PR square will remain present. Okay, so what is the next? So next is equal to, we can simply do what? We can take common. We take common to K, that is K square into PQ square minus PR square will divide with PQ square minus PR square root over. Okay, so as we know, if we have to remove the root, if there are two number present, two same number present, so we can simply remove the root. Here 2k are present, 2k, that means k square, that is equal to k into k, 2k are present, so we can simply remove the root here. So k into root PQ square minus PR square is equal to PQ square minus PR square root over. Okay, so PQ square minus PR square and PQ square minus PR square will cut. So what is remain? K is remain. So what is the value of K? BC and RQ is equal to K. BC by RQ is equal to K. As we simply know that here AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. Both are K, and here BC by RQ also K. So we can simply write AC by PR. We can simply write AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to BC by RQ here, because these are same with K and these are also same with K. So we can write AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to BC by RQ. As we know, if the corresponding sides are in same ratio, then the angles are also equal. Simply here B angle will equal with Q angle. Now your example number 2 also completed. That's it for today. We will meet in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.